Dear friends, today we'll be talking about this beautiful plant which is called the elephant food or elephant bush. This plant is great for succulent arrangements and creating bonsais. This plant that is in my hand right now, it was in this succulent arrangement that my husband got me for our wedding anniversary. Most of the plants in this arrangement are very stretched out, but my husband still loves this arrangement, and so I'm just keeping it like this. So this plant was planted right here in this area under this big succulent, and this was the only plant that was not growing very well because the roots did not have enough space to expand, and it was not getting enough light because it was stuck underneath this plant. So yesterday I just pulled this plant out because I want to give more room to it to grow. So today I'm going to show you how to plant it into a pot. For that I have selected this ceramic pot, but because it does not have any drainage holes, so I want to put another pot, a plastic pot. I have taken a plastic pot which has plenty of drainage holes. I want to put this plastic pot inside the ceramic pot because I love the color of this pot. And then I'm going to plant this elephant bush in this planter. So what I'm going to do is to take the cactus and succulent mix and start filling the bottom of this pot, and then I'm going to place the plant into the pot and then start filling the soil from the sides because I want the roots to have enough space inside the pot, and I don't want to damage any roots by placing them in the soil after I put the soil. So like this, I'm just going to fill the area and do the potting by just pressing on the sides. And that's it. We have our beautiful plant planted in this planter, and now I'm going to thoroughly water it, and for a few days, for almost say a week, I'm going to keep it indoors away from harsh sunlight, and then after a week I'll slowly start putting this plant outside and acclimate it to full sun. I hope you learned something about the elephant bush today from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.